I'm Zoe and today we're going to try out Shrine's Drop It hair color in the shade Hot Pink, and I'll be applying it on my brown hair without bleach. So Shrine is a semi-permanent hair color, but it comes in like a concentrate. So what you do is you add like any conditioner to your dish and then add about 6 to 30 drops of the concentrate. And there's about 200 drops in each bottle, so you can get at least 6 uses out of each bottle. Now my hair right now is like a medium brown on top that fades to a light brown at the bottom, but the bottom is starting to fade to a tiny bit of a green tinge, and green is opposite pink on the color wheel, so I'm thinking the color is going to turn out a little bit brownish, so maybe like a rose gold or an auburn, but I'm hoping that the dye is just so pigmented that it comes out like a dark pink. Okay, this is a bit of a weird angle, but this is how I'm going to be filming the hair dyeing process. Now it says to apply the dye to towel dry hair, but for darker hair to do it on dry. So I've shampooed my hair with clarifying shampoo that it also suggested, and I'm just going to apply it in small sections. So let's mix the dye first. I got the kit, so it came with the little Shrine dish and spoon. So I'm just gonna fill it up to the line with conditioner. I have it filled with conditioner. Now, oh my god, I have a white cat and he just walked into the room. Like an idiot. General, you better watch out or you're gonna be pink. Okay, so based on the little color chart on the box here, oh, it's totally blown out, you can't see it. But anyway, I'll put a little picture of it. Based on the color chart, I'm gonna need at least 30 drops. So I'll put 30 drops in there, see how it looks. If it looks dark enough, I'll use it. If not, I'll add like 10 more drops. So we'll start here. Okay, so here's what 30 drops looks like, and it's pretty much the same color as the container. I think it looks pretty good, but I'm gonna add like 5 more drops just for good luck. So I'm just going to section my hair and then start applying it. Now, the fact that you mix this color with conditioner makes me think that it's going to be like a coloring conditioner, and those haven't worked well for me in the past, so this makes me very curious. I'm going to apply it similar to a coloring conditioner as well, because conditioner spreads pretty easily, and I don't think I'm gonna have to be as precise as I would with a regular semi-permanent dye. So I'm just gonna do 4 sections and then apply it in smaller sections with gloves. Okay, so it is all applied and you only leave it in for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it in for 10 minutes and then rinse it out. So the dye was super easy to apply. I left it on for closer to like 15 minutes, and this is how it turned out. So on the top medium brown, it didn't really do much. It's kind of an auburn color when the light hits, but the light brown turned to this dark peachy pink color. It's really, really pretty. I'll show you the before and after in indoor and outdoor lighting. So the box says that the dye lasts 3 to 12 washes. So I'm going to wash my hair regularly with color safe shampoo and conditioner for the next couple of weeks, and then I will come back and show you how it faded and if it stained my hair. Okay, it's been a couple of weeks and my hair is back to normal. The dye did not stain my hair, but I think it might have toned it a little bit. It's looking less green than it was before, and this is how it faded. So my hair was pretty vibrant right after dyeing, but after the first wash, a lot of color came out and it was looking more auburn or rose gold. After the second wash, most of the dye had washed out, and after the third wash, there was just a few pinky tones left. And now after the fourth wash, my hair is completely back to normal. Okay, so final thoughts. This dye is very interesting. It's very inexpensive. I only spent $20 on the whole kit with multiple uses. So it applied and lasted like a coloring conditioner, but the initial result was a lot more vibrant than other coloring conditioners I've tried before. I think this product would be perfect if you just wanted to try out a hair color or to add to your regular conditioner to maintain your hair color. Remember, everyone's hair is unique and your experience with the same product could be very different from mine, but personally, I would repurchase Shrine Drop It Hair Dye. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching.